Don't Push the Button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi kids! I believe we've all experienced when you're not supposed to do something that seems to be very tempting. Let's read the story of Larry. Oh, it is his own book actually. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek, now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Now there's two on me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get it back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes? It's hard to resist. You don't want to be such a cheeky monkey though. Bye.